What is the value of x? So we have x power 5 is equal to 100 can be written as 10 square. Now we multiply by power of 5 in both sides. Now here I can apply rule that a power m bracket power n is equal to a power n bracket power m. So according to this rule, we can compare here. So it will be x power 5, then bracket power of x to the power 5 is equal to, here we can apply this formula, a power m bracket power n is equal to a power of m times n, that means it will be mn. So according to this formula, we can write here 10 power of 2 times 5, that means it will be 10. Now x power 5, both terms is same. This base and this power is same. So let x power 5 is substituted by t. So our equation will be t power t is equal to 10 power of 10. Now here you can apply rule that x power x is equal to n power n. So x will be equal to n, where n is greater than or equal to 1. So according to this rule, we can compare here. So t will be equal to 10. T will be equal to 10. Now t, that means x power 5. So x power 5, t, that means x power 5 is equal to 10. Now we need the value of x, so we multiply by power of 1 by 5 in both sides. So multiply by power of 1 by 5, multiply by power of 1 by 5. So this 5 will be cancelled. So we have x power 1 is same as x is equal to 10 power of 1 by 5 can be written as 5th root of 10. So 5th root of 10, this is our final answer.
How to solve 4 to the power 23 plus 4 to the power 23 is equal to what? At first we take common 4 to the power 23. First bracket start, this divided by this, that means 1, plus this divided by this, that means 1. Now 4 to the power 23 is same as 2 to the power 2 bracket for 23 times 1 plus 1, that means 2. Now 2 to the power 2 times 23, that means 46 times 2 is same as 2 to the power 1. Now we see that 2 same base but different power, so we can write here 2 to the power 46 plus 1, that means 47. So 2 to the power 47 is the correct answer. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.